Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You must act fast. Power the iPhone off right away and keep the port facing down. Remove the case and eject the SIM tray so moisture can escape. You want airflow. Blot the lightning port externally with a lint-free cloth. Do not insert cotton swabs. If you have 90% plus isopropyl, lightly dampen the cloth and wipe around the port. Make sure not to pour or drip liquid. Shake gently with the port down for a few seconds, then pause and wait 5–10 minutes before the next step. Once the surface moisture is addressed, clean the port carefully. Use a plastic toothpick or the SIM eject tool to remove visible debris. Never use metal pins. Then use canned compressed air, holding it 6–8 cm away and delivering short 1–2 second bursts. This dislodges trapped droplets without forcing liquid deeper. Make sure to alternate bursts and pauses. After that, position the phone with the port down in front of a fan or in a dry room at about 20–25 degrees C for 1 to 3 hours to evaporate remaining moisture. After sufficient drying, try a known good lightning cable and power adapter. Plug in and watch for charging or accessory prompts. If it won't charge but the phone supports wireless charging, use that to power up and run diagnostics. If issues persist, intermittent connection, heat, or no detection, stop trying to force it. Make sure to document the symptoms and the liquid contact indicator status. Then contact Apple or an authorized repair center for inspection, because corrosion or internal moisture damage may require professional repair.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.